Welcome back to our channel Tech World everybody. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can sign up or create an account for Eharmony. So Eharmony is an online dating website similar to Tinder and Bumble. So if you guys have used Tinder and Bumble in the past, Eharmony is going to be easy for you guys. But even if you guys haven't used those, by watching this video until the end, you guys will understand how to use it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's move on. First step, source for Eharmony account, sign up and click on the first link over here. It'll take you to the official website over here. Choose your gender, and then enter an email for yourself. So I'm going to enter my email. After entering your email, you need to create a password for your account. I'm going to do that real quick. After creating a password for your account, join now. Your Eharmony account will be created. Now clicking continue again, it can continue. And basically now over here, it's going to ask you for some questions. You need to fill up the entire question because Eharmony will try to match other people according to the question. So let's say you answer all this question, that Eharmony will know what type of person you are and will try to find like a mate or like a friend for you according to like your preference. Alright, so you need to answer these questions. So make sure to answer them correctly because the friend or like the people Eharmony is going to find you is going to be based on these questions. Alright, so after filling out that form completely, it's going to bring you to this step. Now this step you need to enter your first name, and then you need to enter your last name, then you need to choose a date of birth over here just like I'm doing. After choosing a date of birth over here, you need to choose what occupation you do. So I'm just going to write over this, and you need to enter your height over here and in inches as well if you want to enter it, and you want to choose like our metro status, and you want to choose her education, your income and all this. Make sure to fill up all this form correctly. It is a big hassle to be honest, like you need to enter every single detail, but it's a dating app and the other person needs to know some details about you to understand who she or he's dating. Alright, just make sure to enter that continue. On the next step, your account should be created. It's going to ask you to provide some like photos of yourself in order to show the other person, so make sure to keep a good looking photo for itself ready. Alright? After you do that, you should be good to go. So that's how we guys can create yourself a Eharmony account. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech World. If you guys have any question regarding this video, drop it down in the comment. Everybody bye bye.